This Sensarte 17-piece pots and pans set isn't just another cookware set, it's a game changer. Whether you're in a cramped kitchen, living in an RV, or simply looking to maximize your storage space, this set is designed to meet your cooking needs and more. Let's dive into why this nonstick cookware set is being hailed as a must-have for modern kitchens and RVs. What makes the Sensarte 17-piece cookware set so special? 1. Stackable design for ultimate space saving. If you've ever struggled with cluttered kitchen cabinets or a tiny RV kitchen, the stackable design of the Sensarte cookware set will change your life. This innovative feature allows you to store the pots and pans in a compact stack, saving up to 70% of storage space. Whether you have limited cabinet space or are organizing an RV, this set's stackability is a real space saver. Compact storage. With detachable handles, this set takes up less room than traditional cookware, allowing you to maximize your storage. Ideal for RV living. Whether you're full-time RVing or enjoy weekend getaways, this set is designed for easy storage in small spaces like RVs, travel trailers, and apartments. 2. Removable handles for flexibility. One of the most unique features of the Sensarte 17-piece pots and pan set is its removable handles. These handles are designed to support up to 22 pounds, making them sturdy enough for heavy-duty cooking. No more struggling with bulky, immovable handles in cramped spaces. Simply detach the handles when not in use. Easy transitions. The removable handles allow for easy storage and make it simple to transition from stovetop to oven to fridge. Space optimization. Detachable handles make it easier to store your cookware, whether in cabinets or in your RV. 3. Granite nonstick coating for healthier cooking. Who doesn't want to cook healthier? The Sensarte cookware set features a granite nonstick coating that allows you to cook with little to no oil, making your meals lower in fat and calories. Plus, it's PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, so you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you're cooking with safe, non-toxic materials. Healthier cooking. The nonstick surface ensures food slides off with ease, so you don't have to use excessive amounts of butter or oil. No more sticking. Say goodbye to food that sticks to your pans and messy cleanups. Number 4. Rapid and even heat distribution. Thanks to the high magnetic conductive stainless steel base, the Sensarte cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction cooktops. The cast aluminum core ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook quickly and uniformly, eliminating hot spots and reducing cooking time. Induction compatible works on all cooktops, making it versatile for various kitchen setups. Quick heat up. Enjoy fast cooking with consistent results, whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry or a slow-cooked stew. 5. Easy to clean and maintain. Nobody likes spending extra time cleaning up after a meal. Fortunately, the Sensarte cookware set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The wear-resistant design ensures that the cookware remains in excellent condition even after multiple washes in the dishwasher. Hassle-free cleanup. The non-stick coating helps food slide off, reducing scrubbing and saving you time. Durable construction. Even with frequent use in cleaning, these pans maintain their look and functionality. 6. Versatile cooking options. The Sensarte cookware set includes everything you need to prepare a variety of dishes. From 1.5 QT saucepans to 10-inch frying pans, grill pans, and even storage lids, this set has it all. Whether you're sautéing, frying, simmering, or grilling, you'll find the perfect pan for every dish. Multiple sizes. The set includes a variety of pan sizes, allowing you to tackle small or large meals with ease. Oven safe. These pans are oven safe, making them perfect for finishing off dishes or baking. Why choose Sensarte? Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Sensarte cookware set is built to last. Space-saving design. Perfect for smaller kitchens, apartments, and RVs. Health-conscious cooking. Cook with less oil, reduce fat, and enjoy healthier meals with the granite non-stick coating. Easy storage. The removable handles and stackable design help you save space and keep your kitchen organized. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Sensarte 17-piece cookware set? If you're looking for a cookware set that offers both functionality and convenience, this Sensarte 17-piece nonstick cookware set is an excellent choice. With its removable handles, granite nonstick coating, and space-saving stackable design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to cook efficiently and keep their kitchen organized. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.